Okay, let's move on to IELTS speaking part 2. Describe a website which helps you to do something. So,
Nowadays, internet plays a very crucial role in our daily lives, and I used to spend hours and hours on internet. In fact, daily, there are many websites on which we can. I, uh, there are many websites which helps us to do many things, and here I would like to talk about the one site on which you can find anything which you can do in your life, like YouTube. Whenever I have to do anything which I haven't done before, I just went to YouTube, and I just search about that particular thing which I have to do. Just like yesterday night, my mom was not at home and I was hungry, and I just thought to make something for eat, and then I wanted to make biryani, and I don't know how to make biryani. Then I just went to the YouTube and just search that how to make biryani, and over there I found YouTube very convenient for me, and after watching that video I made biryani and I enjoyed a lot.
alright, that's good. You spoke for 1 minute and 13 seconds. There are some grammatical mistakes, so try to overcome those and connect your ideas together so that you become more fluent. Now, let's go on. What do you think about social networking websites?
Well, I think that social networking websites plays a very important role. Nowadays, people used to spend a lot of time on social medias, and through which they can interact with each other, and it plays a very crucial role in our daily
Okay,
life.
they play a crucial
That
role.
plays a
Would you like to make your own website in the future?
Well, yes, it depends, and it depends if I have to do, I have to accomplish any kind of task in my life, and I will do that.
Okay, this is not clear answer. I'm talking about website. So you should focus website. You should use that word, and don't be so much like what do you say, exhausted and tired and like you're forcefully answering the questions. Show some interest. Okay. All right. Thank you.